Hi guys, this is Hillary from Rockin' Teacher Materials, and I wanted to show you my digital crafty minds that I made for Google Slides. And on this there is a planning page for the kids to tell them what they are going to do. There's a planning page where they write the things that are going to happen and an editing checklist. But first they will go and do the fun stuff. They'll choose a scene that they want to do and choose some characters that they want to have in their picture. They can resize the pictures so that they're bigger and do what they want them to do. There are also directions down at the bottom to tell the kids what to do. I just have it kind of zoomed out here. They can just choose and drag things to where they want them to be and create some fun scene. I'm sure that they'll have a lot of fun doing that. Once they've done that, then they can fill out this planning page and they are able to type in the boxes, and I ask them the questions in there. Of course, these pages can be duplicated so that they are able to make more than one picture. Lots of pictures. There's a page for their final copy. They can even print this page off to make their own picture and write it out. So I hope you enjoy this, and I know your kids will, and I hope you are being safe out there. Thanks so much. Bye.